Welcome to a quick peek at one of the newest displays at the Canton Historical Museum. If you have not visited us before, now's a wonderful time to come down and discover more about Canton, Connecticut. If you have been here before, it's still an exciting time to come visit and see our new exhibits. The museum is open on Saturdays and Sundays from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., or you can email information@cantonmuseum.org to arrange for a special tour. The museum, located in a former Collinsville axe factory building, is dedicated to preserving and sharing the history of our town. Our historic photo collection has over 20,000 photos. These are a selection of photos showing life in each of the four areas of Canton: Canton Center, North Canton, Canton Village, formerly Suffrage, and Collinsville, formerly South Canton. But where did these names come from? Canton Center comes from the fact that the town's early center developed along its main north-south road, now Connecticut Route 179, which parallels Cherrybrook. This location became the focal point for the community's activities in the 18th and 19th century. It was here that the first Congregational Church, founded in 1750, was built, along with a general store, blacksmith shop, and other local services. North Canton lies, to the north of Canton Center, and was originally part of the Massaco Plantation, established in 1670. It was here that the first permanent non-indigenous settlers, Richard Case and his wife Mercy Holcomb, built their house in 1737. The region began to develop around the confluence of the Farmington River and Cherry's Brook, with early settlers primarily coming from Simsbury. Suffrage has older roots in Canton. The term suffrage refers to the right to vote. In the 17th and 18th centuries, political participation was limited to certain groups: adult males, members of the church, and landowners who paid taxes. In the 1680s, much of central Simsbury had been taken up, so the Connecticut General Assembly granted 14 western land grants of 40 acres each to young men. These grants were given in exchange for the right to vote. That is, to have suffrage in local elections. The area that would become Canton Village was located around Albany Turnpike, now Route 44, and was often called Suffrage or Canton Street. Collinsville, formerly South Canton, was designated in 1828 as a separate post office after the Collins Company grew from a small manufacturing business selling pre-sharpened axes into one of the largest manufacturers of pre-sharpened implements sold around the world. Fun fact, Samuel Collins, one of the owners of the company, was not a fan of this designation, preferring Collinsford or Valley Forge. But he was so happy to get his own post office that he did not complain. We hope you enjoy this preview of our newest photo display. Come down to see us this weekend from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We will be happy to show you these pictures and so much more.